Beautiful early October. Had rain this week. The trail should be pretty mint. So I'm gonna test out the new pedals. These are the chromag contacts. Still kind of breaking in the bike. And with the new suspension. All right. Always an e-bike up here. Okay. Oh, made it. Nice, no dabs. So far, really happy with those pedals. The plan is OSR into Nix, into Shamalama Ding Dong. And then I think that's all the time I have today. Just one quick loop. And go from there. And here's OSR. I've been doing a lot of work on it lately. Just been feeling really good. Oh, we redid the berm too. Oh, they've been busy, man. So Nix is this middle one. I've only run it about 3 times, so I don't know it that well yet. I think there's a feature coming here soon. Never had enough speed for this, so soak that up. Put in that one. Whew. This is fun. The trail is just mint right now. This is a bit slippery. Whew. I gotta learn that section more. Still work on my cornering. So much fun. And this is Shamalama Ding Dong. Whew. Spider web. The only puddle on the mountain's that one, I swear. Wet feet. Woo. Feeling good. In this rooty section here, up over the bridge. and then up the hill, and we're done. Oh, come on, up we go. Whew. What a fun loop. Awesome job by the trail builders. This place keeps getting better. And that's what I ride when I only have half an hour to go for a ride. It's like 15 minutes up, 5 minutes down or something. A little bit less than that. But it's fun. The climbing trail's great. And I gotta get ready to go to work. And I need to fix that brake. It's just ever so slightly touching. Pedals felt awesome. Feet didn't move at all. Shush. Whew. Go home, have a shower, eat lunch, go to work. Fix brake.